Tableau CRM for Financial Services Cloud built on Salesforce with an emphasis on wealth management has two primary domains. The first being understanding your accounts, and the second, growing your business. We'll take a look at what it means to understand your accounts. So through the Book of Business dashboard, we have an understanding of our clients, our households, total accounts, assets under management, held away assets, and wallet share. And we can view how we are trending week over week, month over month, quarter over quarter, and how we have adjusted from now to a month ago, to a quarter ago, to 1 year ago. And then we can further segment our clients by net worth, by length of relationships, and understand who are your top households and your top clients. Perfect. Under product portfolio mix tab, we get an even deeper understanding of those assets under management and those financial accounts by type. So we've got a lot of investment accounts. So we'll break that down by mutual funds. And so we can see that product mix over time really skyrocketed this last month. The next subtab details transactions, deposits, withdrawals, and what our net between those are. So we can understand that net change over time in terms of deposits and withdrawals over this time period, which is extending to April 2020 all the way up until now. Below, we can see our clients with large deposits and withdrawals. On the right, we'll see, those total deposits. On the left, total withdrawals. So we can understand which of our customers, what are the attributes of those customers that are having large deposits or large withdrawals. And then lastly, earnings and fees. So what are the earnings? What are the sum of commissions, sum of revenue, and earnings as percent of their assets under management? So we can see that both on the top in terms of earnings by product, and then earnings over time for a more visualized approach to see this data. So in terms of looking at your book of business, this is really where we want to focus: earnings and fees, transactions, portfolio mix, and overview. When it comes to clients, really where we want to focus in on is who needs my attention, who is at risk of attrition. So we can really drill down and be granular and understand who drew out more than 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, and the same for understanding our current assets under management versus historic max. If they have any claims or cases tied to them, any questions, we can understand that all from this subtab. Who are my top clients? So we can see top 50, top 100, all, and we can filter them down by the length of the relationship and the wallet share percentage that we hold. What demographics do I serve? Where are my customers? Where are they? What are the net worth? And what is my relationship with them? So this helps me to understand my prime client. What kind of a relationship do I have with them? How old are they? What is their gender? And what marketing segment have I bucketed them into? Are my clients reaching their goals? So what are their goals? Is it an educational goal? Is it a home purchase goal? Is it a retirement goal? And how is their goal progressing? How many years until they get there? And what percentage are they complete? And then lastly, in understanding my clients, I want to understand my activity history with them. This is very important to understand who I should be talking to right now, I have a lot of overdue tasks. Because my goal is to have one touch every 45 days. So everything above this line, they are clients who I need to touch. And the bigger the bubble, the bigger the amount of assets under management I'm looking at here. Next, who should I talk to next? What are the days since last contact? So I have a lot of customers that I haven't talked to in over a year. Clients whose assets under management has dropped in the last 30 days. I want to give a reach out to Adam's Charitable Trust because it's been a long time since I contacted them and they've really dropped off in AUM. And again, I can see Adam's on the chart of clients with overdue tasks. Now, under activity history, I get to filter by activity type, and then that year and week in which I'm making those activities. So I can filter down, understand what tasks I need to go to, and I can go straight to that record. And then lastly, activity outcome helps me understand the time frame in which I've made certain activities, what those activities generated, and for those clients, what has happened since those activities were finished out, were completed. Did their sum of assets under management increase? Did it decrease? And then did the wallet share that I currently have with them, did it decrease, increase? The same with deposits. So these sets of powerful analytics for client interactions, for who should I sell to, what is the makeup of my customer, it helps me to make more pinpointed decisions, helps me to communicate with management on what our marketing segment should be, what our cadence for communication should be.